Want to know how to use Clickbank effectively? Keep watching. A recent poll in one of the top Facebook marketing groups shows Clickbank is now the second best place for product creators and affiliates to run their online business. The site also receives over 4 million monthly visitors, which is something that cannot be ignored. Making money through affiliate marketing is one of the most rewarding careers one could ever have. What's good about this business is that anyone can join and make their way to success. Affiliate marketing is a cost-efficient method of getting long-term results. In fact, you can start even with a shoestring budget. And with affiliate marketing, you can have the benefit of working from home and enjoy the freedom and flexibility of working for yourself. Clickbank is an ideal place to start. Clickbank is one of the affiliate networks that serve as a third party between web merchants and the associated affiliates. It is responsible in providing the technology to deliver the merchants' offers and campaigns. The affiliate network also do the job of collecting commission fees from the merchant and giving it to the affiliates involved in the program. Clickbank provides you with a large and increasing network of publishers or affiliates to tap into. If you're a Clickbank affiliate wannabe, you surely won't find it hard to be a part of this network. First, you are required to place their link on your website. Then, if you already have a Clickbank username, you are free to choose whatever marketing tools you want to use to bring in more clicks and generate more sales. That's how simple it is to join Clickbank. But being a Clickbank super affiliate is no minor achievement. It means you need to possess the ability to sell lots of affiliate products. You also need to have expertise in search engine optimization, email marketing, newsletter marketing, and much more. Among the secrets to becoming successful in affiliate marketing is to come up with a good content-based website and put your affiliate links in all your content. Your main purpose here is to give your visitors good quality content about the things they are interested in. Forget about the job of selling. Leave that to the sales page you are transferring them to. Affiliate marketing using Clickbank can be a very lucrative business model. You just need to know what you are doing. Why not get the edge over your competitors by becoming an expert? These 18 checklists will have you becoming a Clickbank ninja in no time. Get them today at the link below.